guys, 2023 Ram 3500 Dully. Cummins motor. Sweet looking truck, guys. About 10 grand in wheels and tires and lift kit. Fox suspension. Here's your VIN number. Power seats. It's Laramie. Powerful mirrors. Let me start it up here for you. $27,401 on the miles. Does have your adaptive cruise, 4-wheel drive, all your auxiliary powers. Does have airbags on the rear. You can change the height. Heated, cooled seats. Heated steering wheel. Navigation. All your different apps. Lane keep assist, traction control, Alpine sound system, power, rear sliding glass, power fold mirrors, two keys, remote start. Good look at those seats, they look really good, clean. Let's have these nice blacked out running boards. Everything on this has been painted, the painted bumpers, makes it look so good. Your rear power. No sunroof on this one. These wheels and tires, deep dish. Sweet, nice Toyo tires on it. Parking sensors, nice bed cover on here, slow release tailgate, fifth wheel prep, see the airbags, clock shocks. Rebuilt title. Manuals. nice truck, loaded with all kinds of extra options.